everyone, my name is Haisha and I am your sales executive from Geely Iloilo. I am actually inside Geely Coolray Premium, the mid variant for this model. We have Geely Coolray Sport as the top of the line, Premium for mid variant, and the Comfort is our base model. But I'm not going to talk about everything about our Geely Coolray. I am just going to highlight some features that I like most. So, I really like na pwede siyang paandarin kahit nasa labas ka. So, by just using this key, you can turn on the engine of your car as long as yung distance hindi masyadong malayo. So this is the key, and every client will have this one as long as you purchase our Geely Coolray. So we are going to press this one, then this one, hold this one, so we can turn on the engine. Let's try this. Oh, so you must use your right hand actually, because it's not working if you're using your left hand. Okay, so I decided to turn it off now. See?